Welcome to the Doubtful Investor. Today, we confront a crisis shaking the very foundations of the tech world, the SaaSpocalypse. We're dissecting why the $2 trillion software wipeout is not just a market correction, but a fundamental paradigm shift that has made the per-seat model obsolete. This is the Doubtful Investor. We analyze the signals the market is missing, operating strictly on data, skepticism, and a premium perspective. Let's begin. Over the past 18 months, enterprise software has seen a staggering near $2 trillion market capitalization evaporate. This isn't volatility. This is structural erosion. The core victim in this decline is the cornerstone of the entire industry, the per-seat subscription model. For decades, it was the gold standard, but its time is finally over. To understand the present, we must acknowledge the foundation that cracked. The SaaS bull market assumed infinite human growth, but that assumption is now toxic. The data is unambiguous. Major SaaS players are seeing growth forecasts slashed as their largest market driver, human headcount, stalls. The legacy per-seat model directly ties revenue to the number of human employees using the software. When headcount stalls, so does recurring revenue. Now for the panic. The fear is palpable in boardrooms, driven by one looming threat that invalidates the entire human-centric business model. CFOs are freezing IT budgets, not due to recession, but due to uncertainty. They are waiting to see how quickly and deeply AI will cut into their white-collar workforce. The problem is simple. If an AI agent can do the work of 3 human users, why pay for 3 seats? The AI agent becomes the new, unpaid user, and the subscription model collapses. But here at the Doubtful Investor, we look past the panic. We see a signal hidden in the noise. Software is not dead. The user is just changing. The truth is, software still performs the core function, processing data. The agent is simply the new wrapper around the code, replacing the costly human interface. AI agents need data. They need underlying databases, storage, and infrastructure tools. The foundational software that powers the AI remains critically valuable. The surviving enterprises understand this. They are rapidly pivoting away from the failed per-seat model towards something more resilient, API-based pricing. Instead of charging for a human seat, the smart money is moving toward pricing based on actual, measurable enterprise consumption. The AI uses the API, and the company pays. This means pricing by transaction volume, compute units consumed, or data processed. The focus shifts from the abstract user to concrete enterprise value delivery. The future of software revenue is not in the desktop interface. It's in the glowing network cables and the API gateways feeding the autonomous AI agents. The SaaSpocalypse is not an end, but a necessary evolution. The market is shifting from paying for human headcount to paying for automated enterprise consumption. Focus on infrastructure software with usage-based pricing models. Ignore the noise of companies still clinging to the obsolete per-seat revenue structure. Next week, we apply this skeptical lens to the biggest player in the game. We dissect the looming valuation crisis at Microsoft. Don't miss it. Subscribe to the Doubtful Investor.